next topic is IUPAC nomenclature of RX and ARX. Okay, haloalkanes or haloarenes. Okay, IUPAC nomenclature of haloalkanes and haloarenes. Okay. First, we will revise the basic formula for nomenclature. That is, first, word root plus primary suffix plus secondary suffix. Okay, here plus primary prefix plus secondary prefix. Okay, so what does it mean? Word root. Word root means number of carbon atoms in continuous chain or ring. Okay, like if one carbon present, then we use word root meth. For 2, eth. For 3, pro. For 4, it is but, and so on. In 11th class, you study IUPAC nomenclature. Okay, primary suffix. Okay, when this ring or chain having C single bond C, so we assign A. Okay, in case of C double bond C, this becomes E, and C triple bond C written as ine. Okay, so this is the primary suffix. Okay, for secondary suffix, all the functional groups. Okay, all functional groups except X and NO2. Okay, remember this, except X and NO2. हैलोजन और नाइट्रो को नहीं कंसीडर करेंगे सफिक्स के जैसे. Okay, for example, for OH, this is alcohol, so we write all as suffix. For aldehyde, this should be al. For carboxylic acid, this is oic acid. Okay. For NH2, amine, and so on. Okay. Here we will write cyclo if any ring is present. Okay, in case of cyclo, if cyclic structure present. यदि साइक्लिक स्ट्रक्चर है कंटिन्यूअस रिंग का, तो हम साइक्लो यूज करेंगे, अदरवाइज ओमिट दिस प्रीफिक्स. ओके, secondary prefix NO2, halogen, and all substituents like alkyl group, side chain, branched chain, etc. ओके, जितने भी सब्स्टिट्यूएंट्स हैं नाइट्रो और हैलोजन के साथ में, उन सभी को हम प्राइमरी प्रीफिक्स में लिखेंगे अलोंग विथ लोकेट पोजीशन. ओके, इनकी लोकेट पोजीशन मेंशन करना पड़ेगी. बट रिमेंबर वन थिंग, दीज आर नेम्ड अल्फाबेटिकली. We have to arrange all these. If more than one substituents or X or halogen are present. So we will arrange them alphabetically. Clear? Okay. So this is the basic format to name any organic compounds. Okay. Under the IUPAC concept. Okay. So let me try some examples for naming. Okay. So first we will try for haloalkanes. Okay. Haloalkanes. Okay. Okay. From 1 to first we will select word root. So this is continuous chain 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. You may take any one because both having same length. So suppose we will take this. Okay. So we have to assign number from this side because substitutions are near from this side. Okay. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have to assign, we have to numbering the carbon compound or carbon chain from that side where substitution is near. Okay. So first carbon having substitution, so we will number from here. Okay. So word root having 5 carbon, so first we will write pent. Okay. So word root is pent. Then check whether it has double bond or triple bond. No. So we will write N as primary suffix. Is there any functional group? No. So this is the ending of name. Come this side. After that, these 5 carbons are present in ring form. No. This is straight line or this is longest chain form है. Ring तो नहीं है इसमें, chain है. That's why we omit that primary prefix. That was the cyclo. से छोड़ देंगे. Come next, secondary prefix. Secondary prefix we have 2 substitutions. Okay, those substituents हैं. First is methyl and second is chloro. Okay, so for haloalkane we never write chloride in IUPAC system. Though its tribal name having chloride, but इसमें नहीं लिखेंगे. इसलिए क्योंकि क्लोराइड जनरली आयन जो होता है वो नेगेटिव आयन में होता है, तो ये तो आयनिक कंपाउंड नहीं है, है ना. दिस इज द कोवेलेंट कंपाउंड, सो इट्स वी नेवर यूज आइड in IUPAC system. Okay, come back. Here, one is methyl and second is chloro. Okay, so alphabetically we have to arrange them. So C is come first. So we have to assign locate position along with this. Okay, so this is 1 chloro. Okay, always digit put hyphen between the digit and alphabet. Okay, 1 chloro, 4 methyl. 1 chloro, 4 methyl pentane. Okay, if this also having one more chlorine, in that case same pentane remains same because longest chain having 5 carbon. And at this time we will number this chain from this side 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, why? Because both the sides, though both the sides having same distance chloride atom, but from this side substitution is more. So we will assign 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 like that. Okay, अब इसका नाम क्या होगा? Okay, so 1 and 2. 2 chloro, that means dichloro. We have to write dichloro, but along with locate position. So C always comes first. So 1, 5. Put comma in between the different locate position or 2 locate positions. Okay, dash dichloro. dichloro dash 2-methyl pentane. Okay, 1,5-dichloro 2-methyl pentane. Okay, let क्रॉस चेक इट. ओके, सो फर्स्ट हम इसे क्रॉस चेक करने के लिए we draw the structure by name. Okay, so first take word root 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, 5 pent. N. Do not put any double bond or triple bond because it has N. Okay, so this is pentane. Okay, then number it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. After that 1,5-dichloro. 1,5-dichloro and 2 having methyl group. Methyl means C, single carbon. Okay, so this is shape similar to that one. So where our name is correct. Okay, next. Okay, this is Cl or one more Br. Suppose we have such structure 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. First word root is pent. Okay, and N, pentane, because there is no double bond or triple bond. Pentane. Okay, after that we will number these 5 carbons. Okay, so from which side? Both the sides are substitutions will are situated at equivalent position from the terminals. Okay, in this case 2 chlorine are here, but 1 bromo and 1 chlorine are present here. So we will assign from this side because B is before then C. So 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay, so pentane, but 2 bromo, 2 bromo, 2, 4, 4 trichloro, 2, 4, 4 trichloro. Okay, 2 bromo, 2, 4, 4 trichloropentane. Okay, next.